Hello and welcome to Colin's Yarn Magic. This week's project are these lovely little flowers. They're very small and they're perfect for accessorising your amigurumi. So I've got some examples to show you. These are obviously finished ones, but they work really cute on these little octopus pattern. This is by Chris Wall. It's linked in the description. Here's another wee one. It makes them really cute. And then these are mine and Sheila's oinkers. So you could see that the oinker has, so these are the oinkers of Pudge Nation, and they work really well on these too. So the pattern uses some very thin yarn, and it's a 8/4 cotton from Hobby. I've linked that in the description as well. Okay, so you're going to begin with a 2mm crochet hook and some yellow, and we'll begin. Okay, round 1 starts with a magic ring of 6 single crochet. Okay, so go into your ring, yarn over and pull through 2. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You're going to pull this closed, so pull your tail closed, cut your yarn, grab your sewing needle, and now we're going to close this off completely. So pull your yarn just out, fasten on your sewing needle, and now we're going to close this. So when you do a magic ring, you chain 1 and it doesn't count. That's the chain that you're going to go it through to join. Let's push it all the way through, and that should still give you 6 chains to work into, and this wee one will be hidden at the back with a box knot. So a box knot is you go right over left, left over right. Okay, so take your right hand side over the left and tie a knot. And then you do the opposite. You take your left hand side and that goes over the top, and then that's round 1 done. Grab your second colour, starting in the first stitch here. You're going to join and chain 3. So join your yarn, okay, pop the tail over the working yarn just to hold it secure, and chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. Now we're going to begin the petals. Yarn over and go into the same stitch that you started in. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's an extended double crochet. We're going to do another one. So yarn over first, go into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you can see on the front side of your work, you have these bars. We're going to slip stitch down, making sure you're on the front side. So don't pop your hook like that. Don't go through there. You're just going under that front side loop, another slip stitch, and then another slip stitch into the same stitch you started with. And that's the petal. We begin the same. So into your next stitch, you begin with a slip stitch. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 extended double crochet into the same stitch. 1, 2, 2. Yarn over, insert. Pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. 2 slip stitches using the front loops, keeping it on the front side. 1 more slip stitch into the same stitch, and that's your second petal done. Start again into your next stitch, slip stitch, chain 3, 2 extended double crochet, do your slip stitches, one more slip stitch in the same, that's your third, and that's it. You just continue around working your petals, starting the same in your next stitch, slip stitch, chain 3, 2 extended doubles, slip stitch in the front loops, one more slip stitch in the same, petal 5, slip stitch, chain 3, 2 extended double crochet, slip stitch twice, 1, 2, slip stitch in the same stitch, and then your last petal is the same. Start with a slip stitch, chain 3, 2 extended doubles, two slip stitches, slip stitch in the same stitch. Okay, now cut your yarn, pull that all the way out, attach onto your sewing needle. We're just going to join the petals. Okay, so to finish off, you're left with a kind of a little space, so you're going to go through that next stitch, or go through where we connected previously, sorry. Okay, push that out to the back, and then on the wrong side, you see these two loops that are going up and down. Okay, you're going to go through there. Oh, going to go through there. Pull through, and then with your other tail where you started, you're going to do another box knot, and that's it done. So where the yarn comes out, it makes just 2 box knots, and it's secure. And then cut all your tails away except one yellow tail. So keep the longest yellow tail, and that's what you use to connect to your amigurumi. And that was the mini little flibbers to accessorise your amigurumi, your glam checks, your oinkers, anything. Just a quick note, I'm actually going to be going in for some surgery, and I'm going to be in hospital for a wee while, and then I'm going to need quite a bit of recovery. I am on the kind of quick waiting list, so if an appointment becomes available, so it might be short notice, I might not have time. It could be before my next video, or it could be weeks away. It's just so if I disappear for a while, you know I'm alright. I'm just having some surgery. So, wish me well. Thanks very much. See you again soon. Bye.